Hello everybody and welcome to our first creative day. First, let's go over what a creative day actually is. Learning coding takes more than just reading and memorizing a syntax. Although, let's be real, most of us still look up syntax from time to time anyway. I'm basically like a professional Googler when I really think about it. But yes, to get good at coding, you also need to practice entirely on your own. It doesn't matter what you code, but just that you have some sort of end goal in mind. And this is what I've seen with people who are successful programmers. The ones who are successful are the ones that have the desire to go out and make something on their own. It's something that they're passionate about to the point where they have the energy and desire to go make something more or make something of their own. Those are the ones who are always the most successful. And by our goal for the creative days is to help encourage people to want to go out and do things like that on their own. It's really boring listening to lectures all day, but being able to actually put that knowledge to use is where I always see the sparks shine the brightest. So every creative day, we'll have a couple of sample prompts to get the neurons warmed up, but you're also free to do whatever you want. So you don't necessarily have to do what the sample prompts are. You don't have to pick one of them. You can do whatever you want, but we do give a couple just in case you don't have anything you really can think of that you want to do. So far, you've accomplished using inputs and outputs with our dip switch and LEDs. Currently, your ship is capable of controlling 3 different LEDs. So, first creative day idea, the easy creative day idea. As you know, your ship's battery is at critical levels. Let's add some additional logic that only allows one light at a time. Once you're done, share on inventor.io/Facebook with the hashtag CreativeDay5. Now the hard creative idea is currently you are only capable of turning on 3 lights. You still have more lights in your ship, such as a bathroom light and etc. However, if you turn your dip switch into a binary counter, you can turn on up to 7, that would be binary 111 lights, or 6 if you want the ability to turn them all off, which would be utilizing 000. Once you're done, share on inventor.io/Facebook with the hashtag CreativeDay5, just like the one before. And finally, there's the open-ended option, as you all know. Come up with your own, and once you're done, share on inventor.io/Facebook with hashtag CreativeDay5. We really look forward to seeing what you come up with. Of course, if you run into any trouble, feel free to ask on the Facebook group. Again, inventor.io/Facebook. It should 301 redirect directly to the Facebook group. We have currently over 100,000 of you guys, 100,000 inventors who have joined, and I'm proud to say that for the most part, we're not like Stack Overflow in the sense that you guys are very awesome in helping out a lot of the beginners. And I really appreciate all you guys. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.